Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Radha Beauty Rosehip Oil USDA Certified Organic 4 ounces, 100 pure cold pressed. All natural anti-aging moisturizing treatment for face, hair, skin, nails, acne, scars, wrinkles, dry spots. As someone who has struggled with acne since 8th grade, now in my early 20s, this product is a godsend. Since the oil is an amber-like color, after putting it on, it actually gives a slight color to your skin as if you have a tan. It's wonderful knowing something from nature without added chemicals is so fantastic. The only con is it is very messy. The benefits of rosehip oil are great natural skincare moisturizer. Research has indicated that it may have benefits for reducing some scars, aids in reducing redness associated with facial rosacea, improves appearance of psoriasis scars. Many acne sufferers find that it can improve the quality of their skin, reduces the appearance of premature aging skin as it can reduce wrinkles, crow's feet, and fine lines. Great treatment for dry skin, good for your after sun skincare regime. Rosehip oil is very readily absorbed by the skin and doesn't leave the oily residue that many beauty and skincare products do. This oil is also a yellow, so make sure not to get it on any clothing and such before it dries. It seems to be helping in terms of keep my skin moisturized all day and night, even during the winter time. Has a bit of a yellow oil-like color when it comes out of bottle, but it soaks right into my skin beautifully and feels really nice. My acne issues are only on my chin and are cystic acne flare-ups, not severe but noticeable with some scarring. Somehow it seems more moisturizing and nourishing to my complexion than my last rosehip oil, which was from a good brand and more expensive for a smaller size. It didn't help with the itch, but it was one of the few products that didn't sting my skin. Apply 3 to 4 drops to a clean toned face, then massage the oil onto your face and it leaves your face looking so beautiful. Your face doesn't look greasy, and even though the oil is orange, it doesn't leave an orange cast on your face or hands. My skin is super sensitive and isn't bothered by this, which it is almost always bothered by oils, so that is nice. It absorbs easily and doesn't leave a super greasy feeling on your skin. It layers easily with other moisturizers and it makes my skin glow. With the right amount of drops and massaging it correctly onto your skin, there shouldn't be any staining problems. My skin feels great even during a 16-hour day under makeup that would ordinarily dry my skin after 8 hours or so. A dark blue bottle arrived so the oil doesn't get exposed to light, and the oil was a rich golden amber orange color. Donkey rub and a gentle dabbing is enough for your skin to soak up moisture without irritating it, provoking more wrinkles to form, and if you have acne, rubbing can spread bacteria. It goes on smoothly and soaks in almost immediately without leaving a greasy residue like so many other oils and butters, jojoba, olive, grapeseed, almond, emu, mango, etc. Ever had rosehip tea? This is the way your rosehip oil should smell: light fruity smell, barely there, and should never smell like fish, olive oil, or any other oil in your kitchen. The oil was able to soak into my feet and really soften them, allowing for a layer of lotion to really moisturize my skin. My face has improved drastically. The little spots are fading and texture is smooth and soft. The oil is great for me and great to me. This oil seals split ends and remedies all dryness without weighing your hair down, no matter how much you put on. They explain that the color of rosehip oil can vary and that it is completely normal. They even included an article to reassure me. My skin has a mind of its own, and even though this stuff seems a little heavy, it never made me break out. Not sure if it has to blame, but that's easily remedied by mixing it with other oils that you like. Don't be out off by the orangey color. That is a good thing if you want pure rosehip oil and it does not stain your skin as it disappears quickly. This oil has smoothed lines, brightened my skin, taken away the redness, made me break out less than the prescription rosacea medicine, and made my skin super soft. Its consistency is also different in a very good way, as my skin feels extremely supply after massaging Radha brand of rosehip oil onto my face. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.